The famous steakhouse. Where if you eat a 72-ounce steak in a certain amount of time, you get a free one. If you eat it, I don't know what the time limit is, but if you eat it in a certain amount of time, it's free. And I remember Frank Pastore, the former pitcher, the late Frank Pastore, and then he became a Christian radio talker. He used to, I guess he did it more than once. He was able to eat it. It's a huge steak. It's a lot of meat. Well, I haven't actually seen it, but sounds like a lot to me anyway. 72 ounces. I mean, a normal steak is what? 10 ounces?